Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here's how to download and install iOS 17 Developer Beta to your iPhone. A complete installation process. To check the latest installed iOS version, open the Settings app on the iPhone, scroll to General, and tap on the About option. See the iOS version listed on the screen. Now, go back and tap on Software Update option. If you are not seeing the Developer Beta update, then make sure that your device is signed in with a developer account. Check under the Settings and Apple ID name and see the developer account details otherwise. Now, go back and tap on Software Updates. Select the Bata Updates, and here's the Apple ID for Beta Updates. We can change it with the Developer Beta Apple ID account by tap on Use a different Apple ID. With this option, we can enroll our iOS device for next beta updates. Find the latest iOS 17 Developer Beta. Go back and, after waiting for a few seconds, see the available iOS 17 update. Tap on the Download and Install option. Then enter your iPhone lock screen passcode. Follow the on-screen instruction and accept the terms and conditions. See the estimated download and install time. Then your iPhone sees the Preparing Update option. Sometimes your iPhone is stuck on the installation stage. Then I recommend to re-download iOS 17 file, after deleted from iPhone storage. Go back and tap on iPhone storage. See the list of storage files, and select iOS 17 Developer Beta file. Tap on and to see the Delete option. Choose Delete options. Now, go back to the Software Update option and re-download the installation file if you deleted it completely. Still, your iPhone is stuck somewhere, then restart your iPhone. Use the volume and side power buttons to restart your iPhone hard. Press and release the volume up button and the volume down button one by one. And then press and hold the side power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Re-enter your iPhone lock screen passcode and retry for a software update. Now, your iPhone passes software preparing update and then a black screen with the Apple logo. Your iPhone will reboot several times during the black screen with the Apple logo. Wait for the home screen. See the message on display your iPhone has been updated to iOS 17 inches. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the installation guide for iOS 17 on your iPhone. See the more supported device list and more troubleshooting in the video description. Also, don't miss to like and share to be helpful to others like you. For more help from us, comment in the comment section.